All right, we're not finished yet. It's only, it's Tuesday. Still got a long way to go, but we're getting there. So I thought I'd do a little bit of a house tour, estate sale update. As I told you before, we try to price everything. We want to price everything. Sometimes, you know, something just gets missed, but we really do try and price all of it. Just makes for a smoother estate sale. The TVs are available. We've got the remotes and sound bar and all that stuff. This is a copper pile here I picked up today. I got this fantastic Phoenix gilded mirror. I've got this cute little settee here. Chinoiserie panels. Going for the full-on maximalist vibe in here. I'm sure you've watched that David Harbour, Lily Allen Architectural Digest by now, but they have got all of this kind of stuff in there. The large wall rugs and then the wood furniture. It's all kind of making a comeback. This wall rug is very nice. Actually says on the label it was made without using child labour, so that's nice. That's a cool mirror. Williamsburg. You know, we are in Virginia. Got some leopards on these seats. And then we've got upstairs. So so this was an office, and there's nothing in there. So we're just kind of closing that off. We've done like a Christmas bathroom. Oh no, there we go. Got shorts on before anyone comments because it was bloody hot today. Well, hot, was 60 degrees. It's warming up. But when you're running around like a mad thing, you know, it's kind of nice to bring some shorts. Costume jewellery forever. I've set up a little kind of desk area here. So we try and, you know, as I say, we stage everything so that it looks like it could be your home, and it looks like, oh, I know where I could put that, and that would fit nicely in the bedroom or wherever. Here is the famous nude. She's caused quite a stir. There's the crazy gypsy. Lynchburg College chair. The other room was William and Mary. Local artist, Lynchburg artist. That one is the William and Mary chair. Queen bed. White Lotus vibe going on up here. Another cut wool rug. July, one of those birthday prints. And we've got a little nursery going on here. Don't normally have a nursery, but this is for the grandchild. A changing table and a crib. We're getting a little vanity table to put there so we can display those pieces. And then got another bathroom here with some items in, and another bedroom. There are twin beds, they're really nice. We've got 2 of those bachelor chests. And then in here, all of the linens and towels are nicely displayed. Priced. Some wall blankets there. We've still got items to price, and we've still got some kind of staging to do, but we keep doing that right up until the end. And those are the homeowners. Got to take those to his new place. Some more artwork up here. Water bottle gone. Antique erector set. I suppose vintage. I don't know how old it is. I'm looking it up tonight. Outdoor metal furniture, patio heater, and then look at this room. Lots of pieces in here, and then you can also dig in the totes. We're going to be clearing all this off to show the fire pit table. So it's Friday at 9 a.m. Friday the 10th. Totally got all that wrong, didn't I? The address goes live on estatesalesnet.net. The estate sale is February 11th and 12th, Saturday and Sunday. I'll post another video, so I hope you enjoy it, and hope to see you at the sale. Cheers.